Hey guys, guess where I am today? I'm at a really yummy place, one of my favorite grocery stores here in Canada, called Loblaws, and this one is super fancy. Look at all these flags behind me. Oh, they got Pakistan, yes. Pakistan Zameen Shad, but if you know that national anthem, let me know, comment below. I'm with my really close friends and partner here. We're about to have this delicious meal, check it out. All this sushi and kombucha. We just do this for the camera, otherwise we eat fries and burgers all day. But yeah, we're gonna dig in. Join us. All right, kombucha tasting part 2.
Synergy, divine grape.
Divine grape is up next.
Coming from price consciousness.
Oh wow, looks good. They even have a mandala on it.
Oh, this smells good. It smells like grape.
Oh yes, yummy grape.
Yummy grape.
Smells like grape popsicles.
Very, very fitting after acupuncture.
Yeah. I wonder though if you can freeze these and make popsicles out of them.
I don't think so. They're
No.
very
Fizzy. Now I want to try.
okay.
All right, cheers. I like this one.
I like this one.
Oh, this one's good. It's perfectly perfumey for me. Just like the popsicle.
Funny enough, this one has more sugar than this, but I feel like this one's sweeter.
I finished mine. It's time for kombucha number 3.
I'm gonna take these home. This is pure.
Pure? We'll find out. Guys, don't do the mistake I did. I used to shake these. And because they're a fizzy drink, it will just
Oh,
overflow.
it's fermented.
I don't smell anything.
I know.
Oh. Now I smell it. It's kind of honeyish.
Maybe I like it.
I don't think I'll like it. I've already half decided. Well, let's see. All right. Cheers. We are having the chocolate unwrapping ceremony.
This is my McDonald's version. I think we can finish all that. It looks like a chocolate.
It does look like a chocolate. It looks a little bit duller than a regular chocolate, but it's made of plants. Cacti or something. We're about to find out.
Smells. Okay. Alright.
Bon appetit.
We have to use oh there.
I'm just gonna use my hands.
I was on the subway. You can use that.
Is my hands clean? It will be once I lick it. All right.
Come on. I'm gonna go for
Look at these fancy people.
it.
They probably eat pizza with chopsticks. Cheers, 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 cheers. Not bad. For a chocolate that's not chocolate, it's pretty good. Cadbury's gonna sue me. Cadbury, if you're listening, send us free chocolate that's good. Real chocolate. This is plant-based.
No milk.
It says may contain milk, no?
No. No make. Oh, it does? Yeah, make. But
It may contain chocolate.
may contain cocoa butter.
Do you like it?
No.
No, right?
This
It's
is
like
all
the water.
sugar. It's very sweet. It's sugar. Just look at it. It's all
Sorry, guys.
you read the sugar.
It was between this and Lint, but somebody couldn't have
They have
milk.
milk.
But it was alright. And then we tried all these
Somebody.
synergy. Somebody. Alright.
Yes.
First step. I don't post on the list.
Hi guys, we just finished our meal here at Loblaws. We're headed home now. It was an awesome meal, it was an awesome conversation. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was just impromptu, but wanted to share it with you guys. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please click subscribe and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.